Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by building a balanced base. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Chinese black vinegar, and 1 tsp granulated sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves and the salt-sour-sweet triangle reads even. Add 1 tsp toasted sesame oil and 1/2 tsp sesame paste or tahini for a rounded, nutty backbone. If the vinegar feels too bright, add 1 tsp hot water or another 1/2 tsp sugar to smooth acidity. Taste and correct salt with tiny increments of soy. Next, layer aromatics and heat. Finally, grate 1 small clove garlic and 1/2 inch fresh ginger to release bright oils without leaving large bits in the sauce. Stir those into your base, then choose your heat. Add 1/2 tsp chili oil for immediate color and mild heat, or 1/4 tsp toasted chili flakes for lingering spice. Fold in 1 tablespoon thinly sliced scallions and 1/2 tsp toasted sesame seeds for freshness and texture. Finish with presentation, serving, and storage tips. For a velvety pour, strain the sauce through a fine sieve, pressing solids to extract every drop. Alternatively, keep the garlic and scallion for rustic texture. Serve warm with soup dumplings. Reheat gently in a warm water bath or microwave 10-15 seconds and whisk to reincorporate separated oils. Store leftover sauce in an airtight jar in the refrigerator up to 7 days. Always smell before using and discard if the aroma turns sour or off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.